We're here together to talk a little bit about how we can reduce our risk of acquiring and indeed transmitting coronavirus infection during these somewhat tumultuous times. Some of these things you've heard before. I'll say them again. You know, the virus is transmitted through close personal contact, and so the more we can social distance, keep ourselves away from other people, the better it is. The less likely it is that we will transmit the infection, and of course, the less likely it is that we will acquire it. Critical is good hand hygiene. Hands are the vehicles of transmission of the virus to our noses and our mouths, and then we can infect ourselves. So staying away from people as much as possible, and then also lots of good hand hygiene during the day. Now, I've been asked a lot about disinfecting the inanimate environment around us, those surfaces. Fortunately, any household disinfectant will kill this virus. So if you want to do that around your house, that's a good idea, all those doorknobs and countertops and things like that. Also, going out into the world, how can we reduce our risk? We can't be inside all the time. Going to the supermarket, for example. Think about going during the off hours when there are fewer people there. Also, think ahead. Plan for 2, 3, 4 days in advance. Have a good list. Organize your list the way the supermarket is organized, and you can get in and out, get what you want, and quickly get home. You won't encounter so many people. So if we think about these little things, about how we can minimize our interaction with the outside world and others, we will reduce our risk of encountering the coronavirus. Stay healthy, everybody.